Okay, next we're going to review the pound pairs, and I think FX Ambassador would be happy there. And again, if you like what you see here, you can link this video section. So I'll start from the pound versus US dollar. You won't find a lot of information here. These markets are actually grinding higher, taking profits around area of previous profit taking here, and trying to grind up into the next area short. Before we can say that this market has reversed, there is a lot of work for this price to do. What I believe is that it's very possible for this market now to grind higher into the 124 and potentially even above into the 127.67. Now, in order to do that in an orderly fashion, we need setup, and I don't have setup at the moment in this market. So what I want to see a decisive move higher, and then I want to see an extension long trading into 127. That would be my case here. So for this market, there's very little at this juncture that we can say. What we can say is that the 4 hours start supporting this price, and if you time on the smaller time frame, we can start looking at these measured moves. There's an extension here. Price getting to the first target and didn't get actually into the second target. So let's see whether this market is going to continue higher or it has shared the 50%. So short term, if you're long this market, excuse me, you should stay long above 122.79. Indeed, if this level is retested, this could be an opportunity for a continuation higher. Now, there's a lot of risk, systemic risk in the market at the moment because of the US election, which anyway are important. But this area here, just below is 127.80. It's very a strong support area from the way I see it. So you could actually see this market, retesting this level, and if that happens, you could take a step there long into 123.90 and 124.50. That's what I see in this market. Pound versus Japanese yen. Same story here, although this market has shown a little bit of weakness when it traded into that short money, dump money area. But I believe that's only an opportunity for this price to work out a little bit this area of participation short. Now, we have nothing to show against this, but this level here, which is the 126.90, where on this 4 hour time frame, Algos are showing some interest in buying. And that's the first time. The previous time was actually, it's not the first time, it's the second time. But this market clearly came back to trade 50% again because the next measured move has failed here, and this broke price has failed, and this broke price into the trend continuation area here that you see here. Okay, so that's the reason why this is trading. This is real. There is interest there, which has been proven a number of times. Unfortunately, there is also bear interest above this price. So as you can see here, this is not really an interesting trade from this point of view. It's not that it's not interesting; it's risky, and there's no reason why we should take on additional risk in this business. Pound versus Australian dollar. Same story, all this market. The reason why this market looks more encouraging here is that it's also going to break out very soon here within an area that is probably has been worked out. So if that's the case, we're going to see a very, very quick move from 160.59 to 162 here. It's 200 pips. And don't expect, a strong continuation right away. That could happen, like in this case. But something like this, a throwback, could also happen. See, so in a market that is trading short, I want to take shorts, I want to take longs, because longs are against the current trend. And yes, this could be the start of a reversal, but that reversal is a process, not going to happen right away. And fine, I mean, if this market rallies 800 pips, be it, I won't participate in it, but I'll definitely participate in taking something as the market retraces, and then participate to the next extension higher. So there's a lot of work to be done here on the weekly time frame for this market. So there's no need to rush. And these counter trend trades can be profitable, but they're risky as well. And as we have a lot of choice in the markets, I'm not looking for adding additional risk. The pound, New Zealand dollar, this market is actually exploring lower lows here. And if I've not been trading this market recently, but we had modeled it like a 50% retrace, which hit first target and went very, very close to that second target. But you will remember that second target has not been hit yet. So that's really where algos are driving this market here. Now that said, this market is also around that first target. So when that is the case, you can always find some sort of reaction. Also considering that all the other pairs, pound, are kind of recovering. The exceptional strength of the New Zealand dollar is actually pushing this price lower here, but to me it doesn't offer it doesn't offer an edge at the moment. Pound versus Canadian dollar, it's more interesting here. And again, we are in one of those situations where the dump money short daily has been cleared out. So this market could quickly move into 168 from 164.80. So talking about 300 pips, 320 pips here. So this could happen very, very quickly, and is supported by 50% retrace, as you can see here on the daily time frame. That first target has been hit, and this market could actually continue to the second target and then enter extensions to see where this market can go. Mind that the 168 area here, it's an area of where dump money interest short will start, and we will see some sort of despite this strength that we're seeing here, we'll see some sort of throwback, and that could be an opportunity to get long this market. And finally, I'm going to review here the pound versus Singapore dollar. Here I don't have a lot of price data, but you can see the same pattern happening again and again, and a breakout on the upside, although I don't really break out, as you know, could actually bring this price into 174.27. All right, so I think I covered all the most important pairs here, and this is it for this section. So thanks for watching.